Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to turn off notifications on a MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to and open your MacBook, and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now, let's see what else we have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Finder, File, Edit and View options, and we also have the Go, Window and Help options. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have the date, Wi-Fi and your battery, and in the bottom of the screen, we have your applications. Well, not all of them, but the ones that you use the most. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and turn off notifications on MacBook. First of all, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. Click on the Apple logo and then System Settings. And then click on the Notifications and Focus System in the Preferences video. So you have to go to the Notifications. After you are there, you're in the left sidebar, you'll see a list of apps. Select the app you wish you want to disable notifications for. Uncheck the box next to allow notifications to turn the notifications off for the selected app. You can also use the Do Not Disturb mode to temporarily silence all the notifications. Just click on the Apple logo in the top left corner again, then go to Notifications again, click Focus, then turn on Do Not Disturb, and that's that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. We hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.